Hi everyone, welcome to another session from Ivy in the Inky Butterfly, and we have another leaf to do today. So I want to do it quite different to this leaf. So I had thought that maybe a yellowy green might be a fun combo to try. It's quite fun trying different combinations with these soft touch pencils. I have played with them a bit but not loads, so it's quite nice to have a go. So I have got a couple of starting ideas. I've got the leaf green middle and leaf green light, and I thought if I made this my darkest green and this a bit lighter, and maybe we could grab a yellow. Just having a look, we have that one looks quite lemony. We have a lemon yellow light, but it's very pale. We might want something in between. Oh, we have a lemon yellow. That's probably going to work. So it's a combo I haven't tried, but I think it'll be fun. I'm trying to decide firstly whether to make it lighter on the inside or the outside. Maybe, I know, we'll try something fun. So leaf green middle. What I thought I would do is go in the middle on these veins to start with this one. So that's where I'm going to start. So I'm thinking maybe there would be some sort of shadow. Sometimes these are slightly sort of dipped in on a leaf. So I'm not trying to just cover the line. I'm trying to go sort of around the area that the line is. So it might look like, oh, she hasn't stayed on the line. That was my plan. So I want a little bit each side really. So there we go. I hope everyone's happy today. And that you're doing some covering along, whether you're going to do some later after you've watched, just once you've got a little bit of inspiration, or whether you're colouring along, whether it's this or something else. I hope you're having fun. I just find, I don't know, there's something about colouring which just sends me into a relaxed state. And it's really interesting because when I first saw a colouring book, an adult colouring book, we're going to move on to leaf green light. Just going to do the rough area around each of these. I'm just going to sort of put some colour down really and just see how it develops. It's just a bit of an experiment leaf really. When I first saw an adult colouring book, I didn't think it would be relaxing. I didn't really do a lot of art. Just wondering whether to do a bit at the bottom of the stem. I think I'm not, although we've only got yellow left. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a green stem like that. It's quite yellowy, this green anyway. It should blend in. And I'm going to go in with our lemon yellow and take the colour almost to the edge, and we'll use our paler yellow to finish it off, and we'll probably layer up a bit more after. But I'm just sort of putting down a reasonably light layer initially, just to get going really. So yes, when I first saw a Johanna book, I didn't think it would be that relaxing. For me, art, no, it wasn't a relaxing hobby. It was something I found quite taxing. Lemon yellow light. I had a set of soft pastels. I had some watercolour paints, and I used to dabble, I should say, occasionally, but I found it difficult, and therefore I didn't find it relaxing. And I had people around me, my dad and my aunts, who were better than me, which again, and my in-laws, which sort of just made me feel that I wasn't good. So that didn't really help me. Leaf green middle. I'm going to go back over, darken up everything really. Probably mainly the greens, but we'll see. You may not want to do this layer, second layer. You may not, it might not be necessary if you've already pressed a bit harder. I just wanted to start off lightly. Sorry, my stomach is rumbling. I hope you didn't hear it. I'm going to put a little bit at the base. Thought I sort of might need it. It's not going to show up very well because I'm trying to put it on top of a lighter colour, but I feel happy that it's there. Just going to sharpen my leaf green light if I can, yeah. Anyway, so everyone seems very good, and so I didn't think it would be relaxing, because I didn't normally find it relaxing. So I'd actually not painted or done any pastel work for a long time, and I think it was also partly to do with the fact that I couldn't do it very well from imagination, because as I was saying in a recent video I made, it may be not go out until after this one actually, I can't visualize things, so trying to paint from memory or colour or whatever, no, well, not colour, draw, was really hard, and I had no idea that there was a reason why. So in my school art class we actually had a session, some sessions where we had to copy something. So we might have a blossom or a squashed up tin can or a hedgerow, and we had to just draw it. Now that was where I could do reasonably well. And in fact my squashed tin can, which we had to copy with pastels, light lemon yellow light, it was like a thin drinks can that had been slightly crushed so that it caught the light. Mine, we used soft pastels on coloured paper. Mine was on the wall, you know, and it was hard to get your art on the wall. So I did okay when it was sort of observation. So I sort of begun to realise that that's the reason I struggled with drawing. So when I got Johanna's books and the drawing was already there, wow, it was a revelation. I could just really enjoy filling in these gaps with lovely colour. And actually one day I must show you my very original Johanna pictures, and you'll see how far I've come just from practice and reading books, watching videos. You know, I must give other people credit too. Helen Elliston books, they were the best. I think the most helpful. Right, I'm going to leave that there. We have quite a yellow leaf. It's quite striking, I think, quite different. It might not be to your taste, but I think it's quite fun, and just gives you a different idea for colouring a leaf, really. Next time, thankfully, we've got a flower, because I haven't got many. We've got 2 flowers and then a leaf again. I've got to come up with lots more leaf ideas for you. But I hope you have a really lovely day. Enjoy some colouring. Relax and just have fun with it. Let the pencils flow and do their thing, and don't worry too much about colours and shading and everything else. Just enjoy. Have a lovely relaxing day and happy colouring.